Hello, today you will need half a paper. That's all what we need. So, here, my pencil case. We'll need half a paper, but that isn't very good. So, to make half better, no bumps or anything, I would fold. Instead, because I don't have a scissors, I fold and then I would cut with my finger. You know this way. Here, we're gonna just take cutting like this. Okay, so here we are. Here, they're gonna stay log doing. Here. Maybe there is a bump. So you need a paper with a bump. You will need some pipe cleaner. Let me get one from the box. I have one color of the pipe paper. Okay. Here, pipe cleaner. You're gonna get sling. How to do a little one. It's easy, but if you don't know, tell me. First, draw what you want. Maybe I am gonna draw a cute girl. No, maybe I'll draw the numbers 1, 2, 3. Maybe A, B, C. Whatever you want. I'm gonna draw some swirls. But you don't need to know it really because you're gonna decorate it. You can do these videos or pause the video and do it right now. Okay. So here we got for me a swirl and a little one around. Here I'm gonna draw a heart. I'm gonna just darken it so you can see how it's drawn. Here. And that's all. Here, that's all. And then the star. Here is the star. And a star. Then you're gonna stay folding this and like this, and like this. Okay, here we're gonna stay here and here and here. We're gonna stay folding until the end. Okay, I'm nearly done. I'm getting to the star. So, try to be fast. Okay, it's fine really if I have just a hole. Okay. Well, sorry I just told you to make a hole. Because it was really fine. Here. Then, okay, here. Look. Here. Then you're gonna get the top or whatever. It can be a tie, Then you'll tie it like that. Stay tying the pipe cleaner and let it have a space like this. You will hold it and do like this. Okay. I'm gonna just tie it more tighter. And then you can just use tape or a tie if you just want. Okay, bye. Come on, fans, say bye. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please like. Bye.